All right, guys, I want to talk about a new tool that we offer at Kaiser Willys, and this is really good when you're doing a rebuild, tear down, or whatever on pretty much anything. L head, F head, doesn't matter. So this is a stud removal tool, and the way that this works is you will put this onto whatever stud that you want to remove. You'll tighten it down until it gets to a point where it'll actually start to turn. So you'll grab with this part, and then you'll put a socket on this part right here. Once it gets tight, the left hand is actually going to remove, it's actually gonna get tighter as you go left. So when you go left like this, it's going to get tighter. So when you get tighter, it's gonna bite down onto the stud. And once it bites, it'll really start to crank that stud out of whatever you're trying to crank it out of. So this is perfect for stuck head studs so that you don't have to use that double nut. See, so that was really in there. So you don't have to use the double nut technique. You just tighten this guy on here and then just pull your studs that are stuck into whatever spot. And this will adjust to different stud sizes. So as those teeth, they go in and out, so they'll end up grabbing different stud sizes.
Like a drill stud.
Yep. So this is a really great tool when you're doing this kind of stuff. It's one of those things, keep it in your box and just have it on you. Never know when you're gonna need it, but it's great for rebuilding and so forth, like on a Willys Jeep. So you can pick these up at KaiserWillys.com. Thanks for watching, guys.